In front of me is ACER Iconia M10, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this button with a dot to start recording. If you want to stop it, click on this one with a square. Now choose discard to delete your recording right away, or save to save it and continue. If you decided to save it, you can find it by clicking on this icon with 3 lines. To play it, click on it, and to manage it, hold it, and click on delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!